Hello guys, welcome back to Tough Math, a YouTube channel where math competition problems given in the past several years here and abroad are solved and discussed. So our problem for today is if a over 1 plus a squared is equal to 1/3, determine x, which is equal to a cubed over 1 plus a squared plus a cubed plus a to the 4th plus a to the 5 plus a to the 6. Okay, so we have a over 1 plus a squared is equal to 1/3, which implies that a squared plus 1 is equal to 3a, which further implies that a squared minus 3a plus 1 equals 0. And by the quadratic formula, we have a is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. Also, 1 plus a squared is equal to 4a. Okay, now a squared is equal to 9 plus 5 plus and minus the square root of plus and minus 6 the square root of 5 over 4. Which is equal to 14 plus or minus 6 the square root of 5 over 4, which simplifies to 7 plus or minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. Similarly, a cubed is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2 times 7 plus or minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. And when you perform the multiplication, we get 36 plus or minus 16 square root of 5 over 4, which simplifies to 9 plus or minus the square root of 5. Therefore, 1 plus a squared or 1 plus a squared is equal to 4a, which is equal to 4 times 3 plus or minus the square root of 5 over 2. This is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 5. And a to the fourth plus a to the 5 plus a to the 6 is equal to a to the fourth times 1 plus a squared, which is equal to 7 plus or minus 3 square root of 5 over 2 times 6 plus or minus the square root of 5. And by the way, this is squared, so we have 1/4 times 94 plus or minus 4 square root of 5 times 6 plus or minus 2 times the square root of 5. And this is equal to the first factor has a common factor with 4, so this reduces to 47, and the second factor, 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 5, also has 2 as a common factor, so the 4 in the denominator disappears and we are left with 47 plus or minus the square root of 5 times 3 plus or minus the square root of 5, which is equal to 246 plus or minus the square root plus or minus 110 the square root of 5. Okay, therefore x is equal to, we substitute the values that we have computed earlier, so we have here we have 9 plus or minus the square root of 5, and then here we have 6 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 plus 9 plus or minus the square root of 5 plus 246 plus or minus 110 times the square root of 5. Okay, so we have 9 plus or minus the square root of 5 this is 9 plus or minus 4 times the square root of 5. By the way, this is 4 times the square root of 5. And also this one, this is 4 square root of 5. And in the denominator we have 261 plus or minus 116 square root of 5. Which is equal to 9 plus or minus for square root of 5. And we have 29 times 9 plus or minus square root of 5. So we have 1 over 29. So this is the answer to the question. However, we have here a second solution courtesy of mathematics of today's generation. This solution is a simpler and easier solution. So instead of looking at x, we look at its reciprocal. Taking the reciprocal, the reciprocals of both sides of the given equation, of the second equation, both sides of the expression for x. We have 1 over x is equal to a to the 6 plus a to the 5th plus a to the 4th plus a cubed plus a squared plus a plus 1 over a cubed, which we can rewrite as a cubed times a cubed plus a squared plus a, yes, plus a cubed plus a squared plus a plus 1 all over a cubed. And so we have a cubed plus a squared plus a plus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 over a squared plus 1 over a cubed, which is equal to a cubed plus 1 over a cubed plus a squared plus 1 over a squared plus a plus 1 over a plus 1. Okay. Now, also, from the given equation, the reciprocal of the given equation is 1 plus a squared over a, which is equal to 1 over a plus a, which is equal to 3. And 1 over a squared plus a squared is equal to 1 over a plus a squared minus 2. 2 times a times 1 over a which is equal to 3 squared minus 2 equals 7. And also 1 over a cube plus a cube is equal to 1 over a plus a cube, which is equal to 1 over a plus a quantity cube minus 3 1 over a squared times a minus 3 1 over a times a squared, which is equal to 1 over a plus a cube minus 3 times 1 over a plus a. Okay, which is equal to 3 cube minus 3 times 3. This is 27 minus 9 equals 18. So we have these values. Therefore, 1 over x is equal to a to the 6 plus a to the 5th. Well, we already have an expression for 1 over x. Okay, so I will not rewrite the expression for 1 over x, but the new version, which is a cube plus 1 over a cube plus a squared plus 1 over a squared plus a plus 1 over a plus 1. So a cube plus 1 over a cube is equal to 18. A squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 7. And then a plus 1 over a is 3. And then plus 1. So that gives us 29. And hence hence x is equal to 1 over 29. So notice that in the second solution we are not actually uh, our computation actually does not involve any irrational number. Okay, so it's simpler and it's easier to understand. So that's it for today. But I will leave you a challenge. Okay, the challenge is if there are 6 distinct positive integers, M, N, P, Q, R, and S that satisfy 9 minus M, 9 minus N, 9 minus P, 9 minus Q, 9 minus R times 9 minus S, and this product is equal to negative 36. The question is, what is T, which is the sum of these 6 distinct positive integers? Mn, P plus Q plus R plus S. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our discussion and you appreciate that a solution or a problem can have 2 solutions, and one is much better and easier than the other. So that's it for today, and may God bless you all.